Robotic affirmation is a technique, but in reality, it is much more than that. It's a method of replacing random thoughts that come to mind throughout the day with thoughts that directly benefit you. Through this technique, you begin to guide yourself towards becoming the person you declare in your affirmations the moment those words leave your lips. In other words, you convince your mind and subconscious that what you say is true. The truth is whatever you affirm, because as you speak it, your mind is occupied with that reality. You think it. The mind doesn't perceive truth as our eyes see it in our three-dimensional reality. The mind only hears what you tell it. It doesn't and cannot distinguish between what is real and what you tell it. For your mind, both are the same. Your mind has no eyes of its own other than what you feed it. In this way, through our robotic affirmations, once we penetrate the subconscious has no choice but to manifest this life into our reality. When you align with the limitless potential of the universe through robotic affirmations, the energy of your words becomes your reality, and you begin to create miracles in your life. The most powerful way to do this is through robotic affirmation. You repeat a single sentence, 2 sentences, 3 sentences, or as many as you like, expressing that what you are manifesting or desiring is already part of your reality. In practice, it's as simple as that. For instance, let's say you want to adopt a kitten. Right now, there might be no kitten in your environment, and perhaps your living situation isn't even suitable for one. But you keep telling yourself, I have a kitten, I have a kitten, I have a kitten. You can shape the affirmation in different ways. Through repetition, the barriers of your subconscious mind begin to crumble. By repeatedly telling your conscious mind, you start breaking down the walls of your subconscious. The subconscious mind is guarded by a sort of barrier, protected by the gatekeepers of the subconscious. However, when you repeat it enough, the thought contained within your affirmation starts to penetrate your subconscious, and it must become your reality. Once it passes through to your subconscious will reflect it into your reality. I repeat, it has no choice but to do this. This is proof of the limitless potential that the universe offers you. When you repeat, we are deeply connected in our relationship. We are deeply connected in our relationship. We are deeply connected in our relationship. About the special person on your mind, you unlock the doors to what Neville Goddard calls a state akin to sleep, a state of conscious deep relaxation and semi-sleep, where the mind is most receptive and the subconscious is easily accessible. No matter the time of day or night, you pass through the doors of the subconscious. Again, if you do this enough, your subconscious will find a way to manifest this into your reality. Each repetition strengthens the bonds of love in the universe and allows you to live your relationship just as you envision it. At first glance, no matter how illogical or impossible it may seem to you to attain a healthy relationship with an honest and loyal partner, once you start repeating this affirmation over and over, it must manifest. The subconscious doesn't mock your past mistakes or the things you didn't do right, whether in the world of the law of attraction or in life in general. The role of the subconscious is to bring into reality whatever you tell it. The subconscious has no mind or reasoning of its own. It simply manifests whatever you command. When you believe strongly enough and repeat your affirmations, your subconscious will deliver the reality you desire. I'll say this again because the key to this process is repetition. If you say it enough, the subconscious will find a way to manifest it into your reality. No matter how illogical it seems, no matter how little sense it makes, and regardless of how it contradicts what's happening in your three-dimensional reality, the subconscious will accept that sentence, that affirmation, that mantra, that thought, whatever you choose to call it, as truth. Remember, with each repetition, you plant a deeper seed in your subconscious. Even if your conscious mind says, "No, this is completely ridiculous. It makes no sense. It won't happen. Never. I don't believe it." The manifestation occurs because you've penetrated the subconscious through repetition. You're affirming, "I have a healthy relationship with the person I love," through these repetitions. Meanwhile, your conscious mind is grumbling, "No, there's no one left to have such a relationship with. Everyone is just after appearances." As it continues to protest, you are, in a sense, imposing the reality you wish to live onto it. Initially, it might seem truly impossible, but as you repeat it, the seeds you've planted in your subconscious begin to sprout. And with enough repetition, you start to see the fruits of this in your real life. You're bypassing the conscious mind, jumping over it, and directly entering your subconscious. No matter how illogical it may seem, your subconscious reflects this into your reality. Every affirmation you persistently repeat takes root in your subconscious and eventually becomes a part of your life. Whatever kind of life you desire, you emphasize, polish, and expand the thoughts that serve it through repetition, and the energy you send out into the universe returns to you. When you engage in robotic affirmations, repeating the sentence with feeling, there's no room or time left for negative thoughts. There's neither space nor time to dwell on anything negative that's unrelated to the desire you wish to manifest in your life. Moreover, your mind starts searching for, finding, and presenting evidence that what you're manifesting or telling it is coming to fruition. With each repetition, the energy you send out into the universe grows stronger, bringing you one step closer to the life you desire. Robotic affirmations are an excellent tool for emphasizing your ideal reality, thereby increasing your focus on it and raising your vibration to match the level of that desired event. The beauty of robotic affirmations is that you don't have to force yourself to visualize or deeply feel something, though doing so would certainly amplify the effect. Even if your thoughts drift elsewhere, they naturally return to the affirmation and refocus on your desire. You're solely concentrating on what you want, on that desire, on that thought. What you consistently focus on, what dominates your thoughts, will reflect in your life. This method virtually takes you by the hand and aligns you with the realized state of your desires, bringing you into the same energetic frequency because these are expressions laser-focused on what you truly want. You affirm, "The wonderful person in my life loves me deeply." Since this is the only thing you focus on and think about throughout the day, the result you achieve will align with this. This technique naturally makes you feel as if your desire has already come true. It feels as if it has already happened. It helps you sense that a change is coming, that a transformation has begun, that you've entered a new state, and that you are on the path to manifesting a relationship where your special person is deeply connected to you. In this state, you begin to see signs that this relationship is approaching, rather than signs to the contrary. Because all along, the thought you've implanted in your brain and subconscious is, the wonderful person in my life loves me deeply. With the power of your affirmations, you attract a future filled with love and happiness. This method is very simple, entirely natural, and yet incredibly effective. It's perfect for those who struggle to focus on their emotions during visualization and imagery exercises. No emotions are involved, nor do they need to be. You simply perform the affirmation in a pure, simple, and robotic manner, without overthinking it. Don't worry, thoughts and feelings will come naturally on their own. That's why we say without thinking and without feeling, because you're not forcing yourself to feel anything. With such a powerful tool at our disposal, why are we still waiting? You repeat a single sentence over and over, and you manifest it into your reality. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you believe it or not, whether something happened yesterday or 5 minutes ago, whether the circumstances in your three-dimensional reality suggest otherwise, it doesn't matter. With this simple method, you can shape your reality using the power of your mind. All you have to do is start. Even if you've had a bad day or feel awful at the end of it, it doesn't matter. Your subconscious doesn't concern itself with such things. Though it may seem as if it's acting independently, the subconscious isn't a separate entity that makes its own decisions. It's merely a neutral reflector of everything you think. It's just a mirror. See your subconscious as something shaped solely by your thoughts, and understand that it reflects back the thoughts you consciously choose. What you predominantly think about becomes your reality. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. In your affirmation, you use the reality where your desire has already been fulfilled. You embody the energy of its fulfillment, and the energy you radiate brings that desire into your reality. Whatever you think about most during 23 out of 24 hours will become your reality. There's no other option. This could be a person, a situation, or millions of people and millions of situations. The universe will set each one into motion to align with your vibration. Everything you think and feel is reflected back to you in the universe's mirror, creating your reality. I hope our video and channel have provided you with the guidance you need. Remember, the power to shape your reality lies in your thoughts and affirmations. By consistently and robotically affirming your desires, you are reprogramming your subconscious to bring them into your reality. Continue on this journey with determination, because you hold the power to make your dreams come true. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I would be delighted to read your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching. I wish you a wonderful day filled with joy and abundance. We're grateful to have you. You are valuable to us, and together, we're walking toward a brighter future.